Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Legends of East and West. Today, we're diving into the Edo period, one of the most transformative eras in Japan's history, spanning from 1603 to 1868. This period is known for its political stability, cultural flourishing, and unique isolationist policies under the Tokugawa Shogunate. Tokugawa Ieyasu, who unified Japan after his victory at the Battle of Sekigahara in 1600, established the Tokugawa Shogunate and set up his capital in Edo, now known as Tokyo. The political system he created was known as the Bakuhan system, a centralized form of feudal rule where daimyo, or local lords, governed their domains but remained loyal to the shogun. To ensure this loyalty, Ieyasu implemented the Sankan Kotai or alternate attendance system, requiring daimyo to spend alternate years in Edo, leaving their families behind as hostages. The Edo period also saw the imposition of a rigid social structure. Society was divided into four classes: samurai, farmers, artisans, and merchants. While the samurai held the highest social status, they were often economically dependent on the growing merchant class, who prospered from increased trade and commerce. Japan's economy flourished during this time, driven by agricultural advancements and the development of internal trade routes connecting major cities like Edo, Kyoto, and Osaka. These cities became vibrant centers of commerce and culture. One of the most defining features of the Edo period was the sakoku policy, Japan's decision to isolate itself from the outside world. By the 1630s, the Tokugawa government restricted foreign influence to maintain political control and protect Japanese traditions. Trade was limited to the Dutch, Chinese, and Koreans, conducted primarily through Nagasaki. Christianity was banned, and missionaries were expelled or executed to prevent the spread of foreign ideas that threatened Tokugawa rule. Despite this isolation, Japan still benefited from limited foreign knowledge, particularly in science and medicine. Culturally, the Edo period was a golden age for Japanese art and literature. Ukiyo-e woodblock prints emerged during this time, with famous artists like Hokusai and Hiroshige creating iconic works that depicted landscapes and daily life. Literature thrived, and haiku poetry became popular thanks to poets like Matsuo Basho. Kabuki theater rose as a dramatic and visually spectacular form of entertainment, marked by its flamboyant costumes and exaggerated performances. Traditional arts like the tea ceremony, calligraphy, and no theater continued to be practiced and refined. The samurai's Bushido code, emphasizing honor and loyalty, shaped the ethics and behavior of this warrior class and became a key part of Japanese identity. However, the stability of the Edo period began to crumble in the 19th century. Economic hardships, natural disasters, and widespread famines led to peasant uprisings and growing dissatisfaction with Tokugawa rule. The arrival of American Commodore Matthew Perry in 1853 marked a turning point. Perry demanded that Japan open its ports to foreign trade, leading to the Treaty of Kanagawa in 1854, which ended Japan's isolation. This, combined with growing pro-imperial sentiment and opposition to the Tokugawa Shogunate, sparked the Boshin War in 1868, ultimately leading to the Meiji Restoration and the end of the Edo period. The Edo period's legacy is profound, as it laid the foundation for Japan's modernization and industrialization in the Meiji era. Its cultural contributions in art, theater, and literature remain integral to Japan's national identity today. The stability and artistic developments of this period continue to captivate historians and enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Edo period, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on the fascinating histories of the East and West. Let me know in the comments what era or topic you'd like me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.